Well, welcome back to Goldner Woodland Farm. Dan and Mike started painting on October 9th. They had already prepped the container. First coat is an industrial grade primer. They removed all the hardware off the front doors, painted those gray, and then after painting the container black, they replaced that hardware.
I'm an outdoor kind of man, and I really love the land. From the mountains of Montana to the Alabama sand. I don't care much about TV, 'cause there's country yet to see. I'd rather be on the lake with a fishing friend. I'm an outdoor kind of man. Give me a cane pole and a shotgun, and I can have a whole lot of fun. A soft old pair of hiking boots, a pocket knife, and a campfire too. You go out in the woods alone, wonder where the big bucks roam. What's that noise? Your heart beats fast, then you smile when a squirrel runs past. I don't have to get a bear, just want to breathe that country air. I'm going out every time I can. I'm an outdoor loving man. I'm an outdoor loving man, and I really love the land. From the rugged Maine coastline to the Florida Keys sand. I don't care much about TV, 'cause there's country I ain't seen. I'd rather be on a lake with a fishing friend. I'm an outdoor loving man. And a wheat field, a cool, clear lake, a rod and a reel, a four-wheeler, a ride on a bike, a horseback trip, a snowshoe hike. The concrete jungle I don't want. I'd rather be out in the swamp. My job's got me tied up, so I dream of where the red fern grows. This weekend I'll find where the river bends and the fish jump high. I'll be there every time I can. I'm an outdoor kind of man. I'm an outdoor loving man, and I really love the land. From the rugged Maine coastline to the Alabama sands. All the talk shows on TV, they don't do a whole lot for me. I'd rather be in a deer stand. I'm an outdoor loving man. I'd rather be on a lake with a fishing friend. I'm an outdoor kind of man.
Hello and welcome back to Golden Woodland Farm. I'm Keith. It is Tuesday, October 14th, and Dan and Mike have been moving right along on the guest house. It's all painted now. Still have to do a second coat on the outside, but the window frames came out really nice, and the windows will slide right in there. So the outside looks really good. It'll look even better with a second coat on it. They took the hardware off this end. They took this hardware off, painted it gray, and put it back on. There's 2 coats of paint on this end. So the inside is pretty well framed out. Ceiling's framed. The floor, so we raised the floor so that the plumbing can be inside under the floor. So today they got this all roughed in. We have our kitchen sink is going to be here. This is our main drop into the septic. Shower pan is going to be here. Bathroom sink, commode. So that's really it for plumbing, but there's a lot of fittings and a lot of angles and stuff to get that in, but they got that all in today. The main water line is going to come in. We're going to put a shutoff back here in a panel, an access panel. The refrigerator will be in front of this and the breaker box. So bedroom will be back there. They don't have obviously they don't have the partition wall in. I think he's going to wait until they do the installation. So the next couple steps are he's going to put a second coat of paint on the outside. Now that he's got the framing done, they can install the windows. They don't want to do the windows until after they paint. Actually, I think the next thing you're going to do is rough in the water lines. So we get the drains in, but not the water lines. Get that roughed in, then paint, then do the windows. We have spray foam scheduled for about a week and a half out. So they want to have the windows in by then, but that seems like that's very doable. And then possibly have the deck built, or at least the deck started. So again, outside here, this will be an 8-foot. This is an 8-foot slider here, and then there'll be a deck out here, 12 feet wide, 16 feet long. So moving right along. It is Wednesday, the 15th, and Dan and Mike were back again today. Yesterday they got the drains in. And today they ran the water lines, both hot and cold, roughed in. So this is where the kitchen's going to be. Tankless hot water heater will be in a kitchen cabinet, under counter cabinet. Then we're going to have an access panel for shutoffs here. This is where the fridge will be, shower and toilet and bathroom sink. So good progress again. They also put a second coat of paint on the outside of the container. So both sides and the back side, they'd already had a second coat on the doors. So the exterior paint is done now. Industrial grade sort of metal primer, and then a heavy duty kind of industrial grade metal, the black paint, 2 coats. So we should be in good shape. They're going to do electrical tomorrow, and then hopefully either get that done tomorrow and start on the windows, or get the wiring done tomorrow and then windows and doors on Friday. So things moving right along. We're scheduled for the installation the end of next week, so definitely want to get those windows in before installation's in. But like I said, everything's moving right along. you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Thanks for watching.